In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Minecraft on Windows. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily set up a DualSense controller to play Minecraft on a Windows PC. So I'm gonna teach you two ways to get this to work. I am using an Xbox controller for this demonstration. I apologize, I don't have a PlayStation 5 controller at hand at the moment, but don't worry, this will also work, so just follow the instructions in this video for your DualSense controller. First, the main way to connect it to your PC is going to be via Bluetooth. So you press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button for a few seconds, and this will enable Bluetooth pairing mode. You will see the light bar flashing for a few seconds, and you will be able to connect it to your PC. If you prefer, you can use a standard USB cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the DualSense and the other one into your PC. There's no secret to this. Now, if you are using Bluetooth, after you press and hold the PlayStation and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds, it is going to be in pairing mode. The lights will be blinking, and if you go over to Bluetooth and devices, you can choose the option to add a new device. The PlayStation 5 controller should appear on the list of nearby devices, and all that you have to do is select it. Upon selecting this controller, it is going to be connected. Now, I recommend that you open Minecraft and you try to use it. See if it works natively. If it does work natively, then you are good to go. However, if it is still not working, then you will need one additional step. This will be done by using DS4 Windows. So, go to their website at ds4-windows.com, and when you arrive at this page, click the download option. As the name suggests, this will allow you to set up your DualShock or DualSense controller. So once you have this downloaded, by clicking this download button, extract it somewhere and open the executable. Inside of this executable, your controller is going to be detected. So right away, you will see it on the list. If it was connected properly, just click on the start option. Then you can go over to profiles and configure it. But this is optional. The default profile should be enough. It is going to look like this. Now, just leave this program running on the background, and as long as you started the program, when you go inside of Minecraft, now the controller should be working. DS4 Windows is going to translate the inputs into different inputs that the game can understand. So essentially, it's tricking the game into thinking that you are using an Xbox controller, and often this can help if you are having trouble getting the PlayStation controller to work. Needless to say, this is also going to work with a DualShock 4 controller, so a PlayStation 4 controller if you want to try one of those as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Minecraft Windows. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.